Welcome student, welcome to our computer class. You must have seen that I have uploaded YouTube class for chapter number 3 part 1 in our Google Classroom, and today we are going to start this part 2, the continuation of chapter number 3. Let me open your textbook from our Google Classroom, the one which I have uploaded in PDF format. Endnote and footnote we have already done, and today we are going to do these tables. Table is made up of horizontal rows and vertical column. These are called column. That is vertical column. You must have heard that in other subject also we are doing like match the following column and all. You have to match this side of column and this side of column A, B and C. You have to match the following column, and horizontal rows are this one. The horizontal one. The one which I am moving my mouse. These are called horizontal and these are called vertical column. The box which they transact each other is called cell. Means the rows and this column intersect at one another. This is called cell. The intersection point is called cell. This is called one cell. This is called cell. So, what are the advantages of table? It is an effective way of arranging text. If you want to arrange a text or data and the viewer can see in effective way, then we can arrange by using this table and all. Let's see the example given over here. There are lists of names and lists of addresses. If you give this name and addresses without a table, so that if you want to search a name, so that you may go from another line to another line. You may go from Simmer in this 345 sector 5, like that may be error sometimes. So to omit that error, it's better to use table so that we can view our content more effective way and error free. You can catalog information on a specific topic. Data arranged this way look more meaningful and neat and organized. Large amount of information can be presented in a concise manner, like that the one which I have already told you. The many of the data or information, the one which I have represented in a table, it will be more meaningful and neat and organized way, so that there will be error free and you can search data or information in a precise manner. And large information of data can be represented by using a table in neat and organized way. So let's see the creating of table. There are a number of ways in creating a table in Word. So let's see in practical form. Here I have opened one Word. Let me open a new document. So we have a blank document. This is important. And if you have any doubt about our computer class, you can comment here. After I have uploaded your class, there is a comment section over here. You can add your comment here and we will try to solve your problem. Next class or maybe in the YouTube class, I'll try to solve that problem. Here you can view the post, the one which I have made, and if you have a problem in searching the post or a study material over here, you can go to classroom and you can search chapter wise over here. The name of the chapter and number of chapter is already mentioned here, and textbook PDF already mentioned here. The study material on YouTube class and all also it's already mentioned, so you can click here and you can view our class. So there is a random text to add in MS Word. To add a random text, equal to rand and bracket. After writing this, equal to rand bracket, enter. It will add a dummy text. so that for demonstration purpose I can use this dummy text. For demonstrating or teaching you, I can use this dummy text. If I type all this content, it will take some time. That's why I have used that dummy function. Another one is rand dot old bracket and enter. No, it's rand and enter. This is the another one. I'll show you that one. Yeah, rand bracket and press enter. It will provide this content, and equal to rand dot old bracket and press enter. It will show you this. It will add you this dummy text. This is the dummy text, but this is for your own knowledge. I'm telling this one how to add a dummy text in this one MS Word. If you are working at home, if you have computer at home, if you don't have also, we will do our practical class in our school when the COVID situation is over. And if you want to practice at home, you can use a dummy text and you can do all the stuff that we have already done, like footnote, endnote, header, footer, and everything. Next one is how to add tables. I'll clear everything. How to add or create a table in our MS Word document. Tables. Here I want to add a table. If you want to add table, we have to go to this insert tab. After going to the insert tab, it's very easy that there is a table group here. This is our call group. This is call group. This is one group. Illustration group, pages group, table group, apps group, media group, link group, and comments group, header and footer group. These are all group, text, symbols. These are groups. So in table group, if you click on this one, small arrow, it will show some features over here. So first one is insert table. Insert table. There are two type of insert table. In your textbook also it's given. Look here. Look here. Insert table 5A and this 5B. There are two type of insert table. We will see how to insert table by using this type. Here the maximum number of column is 10. The maximum number of column we can take is 10, and the maximum number of row we can take is 8. Maximum 8 rows and 10 column. We can take from this very easily by using this box, small boxes provided here. We can take this 10 into 10 columns and 8 rows very easily. Now I'll click here. I have just hover my mouse over here. When I hover my mouse over these boxes, it is showing there in my working space area, the table. Look here, this is 10 column and maximum 8 rows. These are called columns and these are called rows, the one which we have already discussed in just now few minutes before. These are called rows and these are called column. Like this, for inserting a table with your requirement, if your requirement is under this 10 columns and 8 rows, you can use this shortcut key, the one which we have done. It's very easy to insert like this. Like this you can insert a small table with your requirement. Another one is insert table. When I click on this insert table, dialog box will appear. This is called dialog box. If a dialog box appear, you cannot click whatever behind that dialog box. You cannot use the features behind this dialog box until and unless if you finish this dialog box, you cannot do your work. So if you're going to cancel it or if you're going to fix that one, you have to choose that one, okay, or cancel. Now if I want to add more than uh, 10 column, that means 11 column, it may be 20, 30, 40. So number of column 11 and row is, let's say, 15 rows. Okay, like this. So that is 11 columns and 15 row. I don't need to type, I think. If you want to add like this, you can go to this insert column. A dialog box will appear like this, insert table. You can fix the number of rows and number of columns over here and press OK. And fix column width automatically means it will automatically fix according to your margin over here in your document. So like this we can add in this way. And the second one is creating table using draw table option. This is the third option that we are going to do. Draw table option. This is the option, draw table. We have to draw the table. It's very time consuming. Let's see. Okay, these are the row. These are the column. Look like this. I have to draw. It's very time consuming. It's very time consuming like this. We have to draw. I have to draw. Let me save this one. I'll save it in desktop tables. Now we can create table. Till now what we have learned, we can create a table by using this insert table option in two way, with the help of that small boxes provided in the table option and insert table dialog box which appear after clicking at the insert table. And we can insert table in our document by drawing a table with this draw table features also. In that insert table option, when you hover your mouse just over these boxes, look here, I didn't click anything. I didn't click any left click or right click. I just hover my mouse over here and table is appear. Okay, let me exit from here. Okay, when I just hover my mouse over this box provided here, the table appear here in our document area where I kept my cursor starting from that point. So like this, if your table is less than 10 column and 8 rows, then you can use this insert table option. And if it is more than that, then you can insert by clicking your desired number of rows and column here in insert table dialog box. And if you have already a table and you want to insert some lines or column you want to make it, then you can draw by using this draw table. But drawing table is not that accurate or as inserting table automatically. It'll, the column size and row size will not be the same as you draw it. Here you want to draw. Here you want to draw a partition over here like this. And look here, the size of the row also it's different. And when I draw it like this, drawing table is not accurate as inserting table when we used to insert it from insert table option. So like that, with the help of eraser and all, you can delete these rows in column also. Like this we can delete it. If you have unwanted line also, you can delete like this. Like this. So drawing border. And now let's go to the next option. If you go to this design tab, there are many available features for drawing table. You can draw by this drawing table using different pen color, different style, and different point, the sizes of this pen, and border style also. There are different type, and you can draw after selecting from here. Next one is adding an Excel spreadsheet. What is the difference between the table which you are creating here in MS Word and the Excel sheet? In Microsoft Word, the table which we have created already, that is three table we have created. In this we cannot do any calculation. But in Excel spreadsheet we can do calculation. Excel, and we will insert here. Insert table, Excel spreadsheet. Now, like this. This is Excel spreadsheet. While I'm working here, look here, 2, 2, and if we do the sum and put it over here in, look here, all the Excel command are also available in this MS Word. Auto sum, this is the automatic keyboard. This will be the answer. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. When I change this one, 5 plus 2, answer automatically change into 7. Like this we can do in Excel spreadsheet. You can add spreadsheet also. You can rename by clicking here. MS Word. I have just changed that sheet name. Like this you can do calculation in MS Excel. But here in this table you cannot do any calculation. Look here, when I press this one, 2 plus 2, and there is no option available in MS Word. So I will tell you again the difference between the Excel spreadsheet and the Word table which we have created in this MS Word. The table which we have created by using this insert table option and insert table dialog box, or draw table, or quick table, all 1 2 1 2 3 4. This 4 table is different with this Excel spreadsheet. It's directly spreadsheet which we are using in Excel is brought here in MS Word. We can do all the calculation and all which we are doing in MS Excel. So that is the difference. We can put this Excel spreadsheet in MS Word also if you want to do a calculation, small calculation here in MS Word. Now the next one is accessing quick tables. Now let's see the next one, next table, quick table. Go to insert tab, table, and quick table. When you click on this quick table option, when you go to this quick table option, you will find a predefined or a pre-designed table format. Look, the first table is calendar table. This one is also calendar, 1 2 3, like that. Calendar, double table. So there are different type of table available here in this quick table. You can create a table by using the above option also, and you can create, or you can take the format which are already available in your MS Word. Here let me select one list. Let's select this one. Okay, this is quick table format, and we are going to change this here. let's say subject, no, here name, maths, English, Hindi, SST. Let's take an example. Look here, the table which we have already created, we have just renamed the point over here, and you can write a student name over here, and you can here Tomba. You can enter his mark here, Tomchin. Reason, this is just an example. Just a name, just an example. Tom. And you can enter the mark for them also here later on in this box. So the design which they have created already, we have just used that one. Look here, the table which we have created by using a quick table format. The design they have already created, and we have edited the available, or we have edited the text inside the table, or information or data inside the table. Like that, you can use this quick table format for your requirement table option, and you can take the design from here. You don't need to design your table. If you design from this table, it will be time consuming and all, so that you can take it from here also if you don't have much time. And if you want to make a simple table, you can just create by this insert table and all. Now let's see how to entering data in a table, how to enter the data or information inside the table. This is called cell, this is called column, this is called row. Horizontal row, vertical column, and the transition point between the column and row, it is called cell. Now we are going to see how to enter data in table. Let's see what we have learned. Creating table using insert table option, to type, and draw table option, and we have learned how to use eraser and draw it back again according to our needs or our requirement. And adding in spreadsheet, insert table, same thing, the one which we have done. Go to that insert option, table button, table group, Excel spreadsheet, click on this one, you'll get Excel spreadsheet. You can do the calculation over here also. And accessing this quick access table, insert table, table group, and quick table, and there are built-in style and pre-designed format which are prepared by our Microsoft Office, that is Microsoft Word. We can select from there, and we can change the data according to our needs or requirement. Entering data in table, this is the one which we are going to do. In the cell, each cell, in each cell, how we are going to enter the data by clicking on the cell. There are some shortcut keys that we need to know. From going from one cell to another, we can directly press tab key. When we want to move to previous cell backward, if you want to go backward, then shift plus tab. And going up and down between the cell also, we can go, or we can use arrow key, and the best option is using your mouse pointer. You can directly click on wherever you want, and enter key if you want a new line, in MS Word and document. While typing your document also, you have already know that enter key is to make a new line. If you want to start from a new line or new paragraph, you are going to press enter key. And last one is control plus tab, is to use the tab indent within the cell. I will demonstrate how to use this one and you'll understand properly. Let's create a table here, a simple table. Let's merge this one. Now first thing is tab. This is one cell. I have merged it using this one merge cell option, which is found in layout tab. I have made it one cell. This is another cell. If you want to go from this cell 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that, we will press tab from the keyboard. I will press tab. This is the first tab. See, look here, from here to here. This is second tab, third, fourth. Look here, jump from one cell to another cell. Next one is if you want to move backward, then what we are going to press, I'm going to press shift plus tab. You have to press the button shift and with your another finger you have to press the tab. Look here, it's going backward, it's going backward. This is shift plus tab. And okay, I'll show you here. This is tab. Right now I'm using tab to go or to move from one cell to another cell. This is tab, the one which I'm using right now. This is tab. And if you want to move backward, then shift plus tab. Now I'm moving it backward. This is backward, shift plus tab. Look here. And the very most very easy form is by clicking your mouse wherever you want, which cell you want, you can go directly to that cell also by clicking mouse in that cell. If you want this cell, click on. If you want this cell, you can click like this. In keyboard also, using the arrow key up and down, left, right, you can move. This is up down arrow key. I'm moving using up and down arrow key, left and right, left and right. I'm using this left and right arrow key to move up and down. Like this, I can use this arrow key to move my cursor from one cell to another cell with up and down or left to right. And another one is enter key. I'll show you this enter key over here. Class 6. After writing class 6, I want to add school. So I don't have any space. If I press space bar, then give a space. I don't want this one. I want to enter in a new line. Then I have to press enter key. When I press enter key, it creates a new line. Here I can write. Here I can write like this. Again, if you want a new line, then press enter key again. So it will create a new line, the one which we have discussed earlier. Look here in your textbook. This I have demonstrated using this tab key. Shift plus tab, I have demonstrated it. And this one arrow keys also I have demonstrated using up and down, left and right. And this enter key to create a new line, I have demonstrated that one. The last one is control plus tab. How to use this indent tab within the cell. Now look here. After this, in outside the table also, if you are using tab, the new line, same thing, the cursor move in a new line. If you are using tab, look here, I'm using this tab, it jump 5 step. Look, this is using tab, but here When you press directly tab, it will move to next cell, again next cell, again next cell. But I don't want this one. The one which I'm using here, tab outside like this, I want to use it inside this cell. Then how I'm going to use that one? For using that one, control plus tab. Look here carefully. I'll press control button in the keyboard, and with simultaneously with one of my finger I have to press tab. Look here, jump 5 step. Look like this. If I want to use the tab, normal tab outside table, we have to use it by pressing control key plus tab. So what we have learned till now, uh, for creating data inside the table, we have started entering data, how to insert, and quick access toolbar. Is no quick, not the quick access toolbar, quick access, accessing quick table, the one which is pre-designed one. You can create a table very fast easily with the design one, and adding Excel spreadsheet in MS Word, and we can do some calculation in MS Word also. If somebody asks that can we do anything calculation in MS Word, yes we can do by creating a spreadsheet in MS Word, and creating our table by drawing option and insert table option, creating table by table buttons rectangle box which I have provided in table tab, and this is the starting point, table end node info node, this is all class. So this we have learned. Here comes the end of our class. Let's do the next topic in next class. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem you can comment here. When I upload this video it will appear here like this. Second part, you can comment here. If you have any problem you can comment here and we can communicate with each other, and if you have any doubt I will clarify in next video. And if you have any problem watching this video, please comment here, and if you want to listen again you can rewind and watch it again in YouTube. Thanks for watching.